Garden is a paradise present in front of your home, only if you take good care of this space. Gardening is in fact so easy. Here are 12 gardening gadgets for you to choose from. Make gardening a fun activity. 1. SolarTech Solar Fountain. It is a powerful solar panel. There are 4 different types of nozzle heads on the pump itself. Changing the water's depth whilst utilizing different water patterns is advantageous. A 30 to 50 centimeter rise in water level is possible. The solar panel is perfect for a fish tank, small pond, pool, garden, and water circulation for oxygen. It is also environmentally beneficial. Your garden would surely draw the attention of visitors. Let the solar water pump add amusing ornamentation to your yard. Simply make the pump float on the water to complete the task. The solar panel will automatically start operating a few seconds after receiving sunlight. It functions better when exposed to sunlight that is brighter. You can own one for $16.95. 2. Leaf Collector. Your lawn must be completely devoid of foliage in order to receive enough air, but doing so can take a lot of time. This product can just make that easier. The material that makes up the reusable leaf cleanup tool is incredibly strong, water repellent, tear resistant, and UV stabilized. The water and tear resistance of each yard leaf collector has been improved after 3 rounds of testing. The leaf collector takes up relatively little space and may be stored effectively. It folds for portability into a flat, rounded shape. Buy one for $33.99 so that you can escape from a tedious task. 3. Meat Leisure Galvanized Raised Garden Bed. How many of you are fond of gardening? Then you might have thought of setting up a garden bed. This planter bed is supported by a 71 by 35 by 12 inch galvanized frame that is finished and resistant to dents, rust, and deformation. The surface of the frame is texturized to withstand impact. The planter room is divided into 2 35 by 35 inch spaces. The open-end base, which is intended to dredge water, will help your plants develop more healthily and enable them to absorb nutrients. The planter box is built to last, thanks to the sturdy metal panel that serves as the frame and the numerous support beams that strengthen the structure. By using the instructions in the manual, you can assemble this planter box quickly. $89.99 is a fair price for now. 4. Smart Sprinkler Control. Smart irrigation systems integrate advanced technology sprinklers with nozzles that maximize coverage. These systems automatically adjust watering to optimal amounts based on moisture-related conditions on your land. In contrast to the conventional irrigation controllers that work on a preset, program scheduled and timers, smart irrigation controllers check weather, soil conditions, evaporation, and plant water demand to automatically change the watering schedule to the actual conditions of the site. It is time to make gardening high-tech. $199 is the cost. 5. Soil Thermometer. A soil thermometer is a thermometer specifically designed to measure soil temperature. For planting planning, these resources are used by gardeners, farmers, climate scientists, and soil scientists. Soil temperature decides where to plant. Even though people can use criteria like time with the most recent frost, the temperature of the surroundings, and the season, measurements of the soil temperature can be important for figuring out if the soil is ready for the growing season. $21.98. Hurry up! Number 6. Netatmo Weather Station. The Netatmo Weather Station is a personalized weather station that allows you to track both the environment and the weather outside. You can monitor and supply your plants and gardens' need, detection of indoor CO2 concentration, and real-time local air quality index data. Number 7. Robotic Lawnmower. In order to virtually eliminate human touch, robotic lawnmowers are becoming increasingly complex, some of which have self-docking abilities, and some of which, if necessary, have rain sensors. Robotic lawnmowers were the second popular category of home robots by the end of 2005. The mower may locate its charging station via radio frequency emissions, a boundary wire, or an additional guide wire. By doing this, it may be possible to get rid of the wear patterns in the grass caused by the mower's limited mobility to track more than one wire back to the station. The price is quite high, around $1,999. Still, the product is worth the price. 8. PetraTools Electric Fogger Machine. The PetraTools Fogger Mist Blower's premium version comes with an extended coil hose for the best ultra-low volume misting. By raising the hose above your head, you can use it to conveniently access plants and outdoor spaces. Its exceptional 1200 watt motors, 15-foot spray range, and 110 volt AC power make it ideal for an insecticide fogger, a fogger for mold remediation, a mosquito sprayer, and more. This rucksack atomizer can carry up to 4 liters thanks to its strong straps, yet it still looks polished and is useful for use around the house. For $229.90, you'll get a whole new product for your garden. Number 9. 360 Gadget Pro. The 360 Gadget Pro metal hoses construction uses upgraded stainless steel interlinks to give it more strength and reduce the likelihood of metal separation. With spiral interlink technology, the robust garden hose from 360 Gadget is made, which avoids kinks and bowing while ensuring a consistent supply of water that saves you time and effort. Unlike traditional hoses, our metal water hose is easy to coil into a perfect circle for convenient storage. You may effortlessly separate the nozzle from our convenient swivel handle and hold onto the fill handle to attach it to the spigot without having to strain your fingers around the fitting. This $47.68 is Amazon's choice too. Number 10. Gardening Silicone Thumb Knife. Our gardening thumb knife tool set is constructive premium silicone that is soft, odorless, and comfortable to wear. The knife edges are made of stainless steel, which is easy to cut into and has a sharp edge. This silicone thumb knife is incredibly lightweight, cozy, and well-fitting. The blade on the top of the gardening thumb cutter makes it simple and convenient for you to pick fruits and vegetables. These are strong and long-lasting, simple to clean, and labor-saving. Will you buy this for $8.99? Number 11. Famoy Claw Gardening Gloves. To safeguard your hands, they are made of sturdy plastic and are puncture resistant. They can be utilized to rake leaves, remove weeds, and create planting holes. With their durability and comfort, Claw Famoy gloves make gardening simple and enjoyable. The majority of people fit comfortably in Claw Famoy gloves. The gloves stretch to 2.8 inches and has a wrist diameter of 2.75 inches. The glove stretches to 1.9 inches and has a 4.75 inch wide palm. The middle finger measures 3.2 inches in length, while the glove measures 9.6 inches. These gardening gloves are unique and really useful. These Amazon Choice gloves are for $6.36. 12. Uberway Garden Tool Organizer for Garage. This strong, spacious garden tool storage rack has numerous slots that can hold tools of various kinds and sizes. As an illustration, consider leaf blowers, string clippers, shovels, rakes, snow brushes, axles, long-handed brooms, cleaning equipment, and more. Each side has 4 removable S-hooks, and the front has a row of 11 hooks for hanging the tool set with holes or thread. In order to meet your needs for additional storage space, its design with more slots is perfect for keeping products with long handles like shovels, cleaning supplies, garden equipment, agricultural tools, and car wash tools. $89.99 is a good buy. Hope you will buy some of these products for your garden. The links for each product are in the description. Do not forget to like the video and give us your valuable comments. See you in the next episode with another interesting content. Goodbye.